Hey guys, for this year's Halloween painting, I'm going for Mixed Media Girls Infinity Pour, which I have not tried yet. I have 2 cups ready for that, a 14 by 18 inch canvas, and I'm using white, orange, and purple in Liquitex Basics. I have some silver there. Black is Artist Loft. I would have liked to use the Liquitex, but I didn't have any. So I'm a bit scared it's gonna make some cells there. But whatevs, we have to try it out, right? And then DecoArt pouring medium in all my paints, diluted with water. So let me set my camera up here, and I am going for this. All right, you guys, so that was harder than I thought it would be. It's to make like those circles in the same motion and to have like even amount of paint on both sides fall. Shit, it's really, but it is kind of interesting here. And I really like how it's super random. I mean, that's the goal of this, right? And I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't too sure how to move it around. It's not like when I positioned my paint, it was already super random, so I just went like 4 corners, normal. But I want more orange and more black, and I'm gonna try something here. I'm gonna try something. Since it's already random streaks, I'm just gonna like quickly go through and do like random streaks on top of this, you know? You know, I'm gonna see if it works. Okay. Let's start here. Sort of like that. Okay, that one was a bit too straight. Shit. No, I'm not going to try and spread it out. I'm just going to leave it as is. Let's just add to the randomness. Do I still have purple? So I just put the rest of my purple into my white cup there. Okay, now this is really fun, you guys. It's really, really fun. Okay, my black and white aren't mixed enough. Black and orange. I'm gonna use another cup. There. Well, talk about randomness. Fluid painting. I find it sort of adds to the infinity style. You know how it was so like, I don't know. I'm liking it. I'm either gonna get like crushed for this video, or people are gonna be like, oh yeah, it's so cool, the randomness, it looks like so much fun. Oh my god, I'm telling you guys, like trying something new in fluid painting is often a guess. You never know how people are gonna react. Are they gonna demolish you and make you feel like you suck? Or are they gonna be like, oh man, that's so cool, great idea. But I'm sure any one of you guys could have thought of this, right? Like, but be careful, if you try this, be careful at the end of your cup, because the colors are too mixed in, then it doesn't make a nice like line. Like I like this one here. You see this one is a bit muddy compared to that one where it's defined. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that, because there's sort of like this galaxy-ish background here with that thing on top. Okay, I'm gonna turn this around for you guys, although it might not be very different on the other side. All right, so I turned off my light in the hopes of you guys seeing the orange more like I see it, but you don't really. It's more reddish, actually. It looks more yellow in the camera. And by the way, if you're wondering how come I didn't use this silver, it would have been awesome, I know, but the consistency of it was too watery and compared to my other paint, and I couldn't make it thicker. I was afraid of ruining it. So yeah, let's just stare at the overall randomness here. This just gave me an idea. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try something and I hope it works. So stay tuned for the dried result. I'm back with the dried result, and I did a little retake on this here. I had filmed it yesterday and it was pretty dark, probably because it was too much at the end of the day. But now the colors are coming out much better and I find this painting is awesome. I think it's probably the most 3D painting I have ever done. It's very inspiring for me. I did do another super cool painting, so stay tuned for my next video, and happy Halloween! It's my son's birthday on Halloween. He's gonna be 11 this year, and I'm off to celebrate his birthday today. All right, bye guys!